Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful snowflake card using the Snowflake Wishes bundle. So this is the Snowflake Wishes bundle. It's part of the Snowflake Splendor suite. And there's so many stamps included that they had to put them on 2 sheets. So here's 2 sheets of all the stamps. And they're not to size because there's so many. And they have lots of dies. Some of them cut out different snowflakes that you can stamp, and there's also snowflakes that you can cut out. But this particular die is one that cuts out just particular parts of the snowflake. It doesn't cut out the outline, it just cuts out the inside parts of the snowflake. So it's kind of a special die. And this is the balmy blue glimmer paper that's part of the suite as well. And what's awesome about this paper is you can rub it all you want and none of the glitter comes off. So look at that. Isn't that awesome? Love it. So this card base is a little different in size. It is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 square. So it's 8 1/2 by 4 1/4, scored in half at 4 1/4. And then this is 4 by 4. So you get 2 sheets of 12 by 12. So if you cut one sheet 4 by 4, you can get 12 of these. So I'm just going to adhere this down to the cardstock base. I think I'm gonna turn it though. So just peel that up a little bit. And I'm just gonna do it this way. And now I'm gonna do some stamping on this and this. So I'm just gonna put these aside and I'm gonna grab a scratch piece of paper right here. And I'm gonna grab some Highland Heather and Balmy Blue. I'm gonna start with the Highland Heather, super pretty color. And I'm gonna stamp off before I stamp on my paper. And this is super fun. Uh-oh, I think I got the wrong color. This is Gorgeous Grape. I do not want Gorgeous Grape, I want Highland Heather. Good thing I caught that. Okay, just gonna clean this off. And we're gonna do Highland Heather. There we go. So I am going to stamp this right in the middle of this snowflake right here. Turns out super cool. I want that large circle right in the middle there. Yes, awesome. Clean that off there. And now I am going to stamp this little, no, not this one, this little snowflake, just kind of randomly. All over my card, stamping off because I just want it to be very subtle. Do one right there. Nice, like it. And then now we're gonna do Balmy Blue. So we have Balmy Blue, and we're gonna do this little cluster of snowflakes. And I'm gonna stamp off again. And just stamp right in here. And then stamp on in here. And we'll do here. Do a little bit right there. Just keep rotating this. Keep stamping all the empty spots. And one more right there. Perfect. All right. And then last of all, I am going to use the Gorgeous Grape to stamp this sentiment. And on this balmy blue piece of paper, I'm gonna do Snowflake Wishes. And the Gorgeous Grape just right here in the center. There we go. And I'm going to use one of my favorite punches from the winter holiday catalog. This is the Banners Pick-a-Punch, and you have so many choices with this punch. You can do 3 different sizes of this punch right here, or 3 different sizes of this punch right here, but I think you can do many different sizes of this punch because you don't have to just stick to these sizes. If you turn it upside down, you can fit it in here, and you can do whatever size you want as long as you center the punch, the paper in the punch correctly. So this one luckily is just a standard size, so I'm just putting it right in this groove here so it fits perfectly. But you can do whatever size you want. All right, so now we can put this card together. We're going to put some dimensionals on both of these so they can pop up. So for this one, we'll just put them in the 4 corners. And then this one, we can put 2 on here, and that'll work great. And then the balmy blue glimmer paper is going to just peek through this snowflake. And I've cut this paper at 3 7/8 by 3 7/8 so that you can see just an edge of the balmy blue glimmer paper all the way around as well. And then we'll add the sentiment right in the middle. And we have this very sweet, very pretty Christmas card, easy to make and easy to send. It fits in an invitation size envelope, and you can send it to all your family and friends. I'm offering a card class that includes these cards as well as these cards and these cards. You just make a $30 purchase on my website using this hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like the Snowflake Wishes class, and I will send it to you for free. I'm also offering a chance to win a free Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with every $50 order. So if you place a $50 order, you not only get this class for free, but you might win a Big Boss, is what I'm calling it. The Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, aka the Big Boss. So I've only got a couple spots left for the month of November, so hurry and place your order so that you can possibly win one of those, win the Big Boss, get one of those spots. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.